Hi YouTube, today I'm going to be reviewing the Mandalorian Battle Pack, set number 7914. Yeah, let's start the review. So let's start off with this speeder. It comes with this really small speeder. I think it's from some Clone Wars episode, and it's really easy to build. Let me try to get it closer. Yeah. That's the speeder. Well, oh yeah, it comes with a clear piece to put on the bottom, so it looks like it's hovering. Look, I found my hand, like right here, like look, it looks like it's off the ground. But now I take it off. Look at it, it's like really different and ugly. Looks like that. Okay, now it also comes with this turret scene. This is cool, even though it's not in any Clone Wars episodes, and I don't really have a use to it for it. But looks like it should be on a separatist tank. I forgot what it's called, but you know those like tanks, all that an ambush, that like Yoda was running away from. Well, it should go on it because look, it also has that piece at the top. It's blue. I mean, yeah, it's cool, but I don't really have a use for it. But still, it doesn't move the severing down. Trust me. It comes with something really cool. This chain gun thing is going to take that off the mandalorian. It's like a machine gun, mounted machine gun, LMGC. You have to build it, obviously. You can fold the stock at the bottom or unfold by like either putting it up or by putting it down together, but it doesn't look that good. So yeah, that's this. Gun, the machine guns, I'll see video. Fix it later. Now for the Mandalorians, the highlight of the set actually. There's Hamlet or Jango Fett. The decal feels like kind of papery though. Not saying you can notice, but you can notice by feeling it. The heads. Yes, the heads. They're not black heads, like the stormtroopers and ARF troopers. Not the ARF troopers. They're called the Episode 3 troopers and the Episode 2 troopers. His head is like similar to a clone trooper one. Focus, except as you can see, so let me put it closer to the. Ow, the computer's hot. See, it's sort of different from the clone trooper head, like same idea, but it has like, it's hard to explain, just see it for yourself. It's kind of ugly, that's what I should say. I guess sort of cool, but oh yeah, they have jetpacks. If you don't want to get it off of Area Light, a jetpack off of Area Light, just buy the set. It has a Mandalorian jetpack. Let's put that here. Yeah, that's about it. Let me show you the box. This set is really easy to build. I'm going to give it my battle pack rating. Now I'm going to start doing ratings for battle packs and ratings for normal sets and ratings for like special edition sets and limited edition sets. Well, actually, no, not limited edition. But anyway, 9 out of 10 for a battle pack. I mean, the reason I'm doing like separate ratings for separate types of sets is because like if I was doing it like compared to like a Death Star or something, this is gonna be like a 1 out of 10. But I want to give it the credit that it needs and it deserves, but I don't want it to be 10 out of 10. Well, the Death Star is 9 out of 10. And anyway, rate, comment, and subscribe. So we put it beyond or whatever. Yeah, rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna rate again. Bye.